Hello everybody! This look is based on the patterns of a mandarin fish, those super cute colorful rainbow fish, and I really just wanted to see what I could do with it. I know I tell you a lot that once you draw the outline it's a color by numbers, and that is especially true for this look. I really started by just coloring in the stripes blue. All of these goods, what you see here, is also going to be blue. If you can't get the fill you want, let it dry and go back over it with less water. And if you still aren't getting the fill you want, then go ahead and go with some blue eyeshadow. I just kind of let it ride and filled it in a little bit later. I colored these neck stripes a pretty aquamarine blue. And I started filling in the shadows inside the stripes with orange and yellow. A lot of the yellow was around the rim and then it blended into other colors and it made this nice gradient down his face. They're just a really pretty fish. I suggest you go look up the fish. Like, just pause this and look up the fish and then come back and we'll see how I did. His first stripe is like a light yellowish green and then it gets darker in the next one, but it's still yellowish green in the middle. Coming back with that pretty yellowish green again and filling in the center with that aquamarine color we used on our neck stripes. Neck stripes! In between the neck stripes was like a yellow to orange color, so I shaded it in with orange, then I went back and outlined everything in black to really add that dynamic look. If you really want to take this look for a spin, I would try using alcohol paint instead of water paint because you're just going to make your tub blue. Have a wonderful day and come back and subscribe and see my next video next time. See you soon, fishies! Bye!